Laibak Pumbada National Mathematics Day Pangthok Nabagum Manipur University Department of Mathematics Naso Pangthok Pagaloina Recent Trends in Mathematics Haiba Team da Numinini Chupna Chatagada ba National Conference Haudokre Manipur University VC Court Hall da Pangthok Pathoramadu da Jamia Millia Islamia New Delhi Professor Susan G Ghosh Indian Institute of Technology Guwahati Professor Swarup Nandan Bora University of Delhi Professor Tarun Kumar Das Manipur University Department of Mathematics के head Professor K Binod Mangang yauna tongan ba Institute amadi University singdagi lakpa resource person delegate amadi mahiroi kayana sarukyaखे National Mathematics Day amadi National Conference Haudokpagi Thauramadu Mari Lainana Organizing Committee Convener Professor T Ibungo Chaubana Thauramasi Laibag Asi Khaktagi Natana Malim Gyoina Masak Khangnaraba Laibag Asigi legendary mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujange Mapok Numitpo Ningsingduna Pangthokpane Thauramasi Mari Lainana Trends in Mathematics Haiba Team da National Conference Sama Pangthokliba Asisu Laibag Asigi Tongan ba University Institute Singe Masak Naiba Professor Singa Lamdamasigi Mahiroi Singa unahanduna wakhal losing tathok tasin taunabagi tanja ama pibani haike
Srinivasa Ramanujange seminar symbolism kinatna khogi live expert mayam ji interact toraga adigi khogi knowledge si horizontally vertically expand to ngangone naina so intaji maram di live waja sing yamna world renowned naktani aduga waja sing nasu Manipur gi lakpa satra sing mairoi sing yamne honaba yam kalli lao research tomina ji college haina masi opportunity ma phangangane Manipur gi university gi mathematics tenji habji am sathina ang pumongda improve taweng khali maram di hata ki PhD level matam da ziyaret net aduga PhD only hena register rule hum khaidok pasida department ki hata chegi level matam da mi try pan la I would candidate eligible je aduna atopa department gi di sudadana sata se amna wa condition le kan mathematics department gi di hen na lak trelam da lai